Hi, I'm Kev from SonsofCane.com. This is the 6th episode in our Qigong series. As usual, I have my friend Chris with me.
What we'll be looking at is the 6th exercise in the warm-up system. A little bit different from what we're used to, but we'll see how we can adapt with this one. Right. Hi guys, this is Qigong 6, rotating wheel in a circle, or part of our Qigong warm-up exercises. For this one, you will see lots of techniques you can use from this, some nice simple ones, with and without the cane. To start with, we're going to have our feet slightly wider apart than normal, and we'll imagine you're holding a ball, either a football, as it is correctly known, not a soccer ball, or a beach ball, and you're holding this in your hands. So rather than having your palms flat, they're slightly curved, as if you're holding this object. We're going to drop down between our knees, and you've got to imagine you're standing in a circle. So this ball will come through the circle one side, and then when you reach the bottom, you're going to rotate round and go back the other way. So you are flexing from the core, breathing in, and then as you come round, breathing out. And you're rotating nice and easily from each section. So as you can see, it's working on the whole body, whole flexibility, range of motions.
In the wheelchair, obviously we're not going to be able to get down there. So with the cane, overhand grip, going to come from about knee level. I'm coming up, tips facing, cane turns, over, the other side, cane turns again, tip way, and just comes through, opening up the core, the back, the chest, and the shoulders. Loads of great techniques can come from this. I'm going to show you a couple now, but a lot of them will be actually on our Qigong video.
If you're doing this with the cane, you can either grip the cane one way or the other. I think this way is better, but nothing's changed. So I'm still rotating. As you can see, I'm leading with the crook and spinning round, and then I'm leading with the tip and coming round. So I'm still getting that flexibility from the core and the back and across my shoulders. You can hold it this way, but it does change what your body's doing. So if I'm going one way, you can see what's happening, but you can probably see different techniques as I'm going through. So the principle is you're doing a small circle inside a larger circle. If you don't want to hold the cane in two hands while you do this, there's nothing wrong to stop you from spinning it around one way and then the other single-handed. So you're still getting the same motion, but you're getting a large whipping strike from your cane when you do it.
We will expand this technique as we go along in different videos. I've got two hands grabbed on, and if I've got a double-handed grab, it's that circle motion again, coming through. You can come over with the one hand, into the two hand. Something we're going to start doing is called a rowing motion, where we're going to shoot forward, and then just like rowing a canoe. So it's just going to keep coming down, top, down. Also, if he's, I'm sorry about this, and you're to here,
No.
you alright?
Yeah.
You can row. And he's just playing on the floater ribs there. We will be expanding this technique. It's something Chris and I are working on at the moment, so it's pretty new. How's it feel?
Not nice.
Not nice? Oh, okay, I like that then, Chris.
I'm just going to show a very basic application of this using the principle behind the technique, and I'm going to very carefully do it with the cane as well so you can see it. So whatever Dan's doing, what I've done is I've got my rotating wheel here, which is going to be his head. And all I'm going to do is rotate the wheel in the circle. Wherever the head goes, the body follows. So as I'm rotating, you can see what's happening. It's very difficult. I've had this done to me, and I want to hit the person, but I can't. It's very disorientating. It works well as well if I do it around the ribs, if I use it with my cane, it's a really, really unpleasant technique. And so even if I'm here and doing it, but if you really want to influence your opponent, if you use this underhand grip, and then I can lock my elbows onto his chest, and then I can rotate. I can also do it this way by giving him a hug, but I'm not forcing him, I'm just allowing the energy from the circle, within the circle, so I'm doing 2 circles at the same time, and this is where you get the power. If you start adding in the hips as well, it becomes very uncomfortable for your opponent, so I'm not going to do that. This will be an in-depth look at this on the VLE once we get it up and running and filmed and then posted, so keep an eye on that as well while you're here.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked the video. Please keep your comments coming. We love them.
As always, please share, please care, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget, ring the bell so you get receive notifications, don't forget, free the fear.